Do you want to have more security in your home? Recently I found out about the Conico EaziePlus camera. It is a smart pan tilt and zoom camera that I will use to enhance the security of my home with 24 hours monitoring and excellent video output for better image quality. The packaging looks good. Let's proceed to unbox the camera from the product packaging. Inside the box, you will find one quick start guide that includes instructions on how to operate and set up the camera, one EaziePlus camera packed nicely in the box, a USB power cable and a wall adapter to power up the EaziePlus camera, some mounting accessories like screws, and the mount is provided if you want to mount the camera onto a ceiling. Pretty comprehensive set over here. Let's check out the EaziePlus camera itself to see what it has to offer. On first impressions, the EaziePlus camera looks quite sleek and modern in design. At the back of the camera, you will notice the SD card, Ethernet port and power ports to use for the device. A reset button is conveniently located at the back should you wish to reset the Conico EaziePlus camera. Pretty straightforward features and design overall. It feels solid and has a build that feels durable. The lens of the camera has an output that is full HD and equipped with optical zoom. Next I will proceed to download the Conico app from the App Store of my device. It is available on multiple operating systems too for better compatibility. Open the app when downloaded and you can choose to sign in or create a new account if you are new. Like me, I am new. I will create my new account on the app. Once done, on the landing page, add the EaziePlus camera to the app. The app will provide a step-by-step guidance on how to configure and set up the camera to the app. I will now proceed to follow it accordingly to get my EaziePlus camera configured. The process should be seamless since it's all guided. Once the entire setup process is complete, the app will launch to the camera's home page where I can view live feed from the camera directly via the app. It provides live pictures of what is going on real time in my home. This camera I am setting up is to monitor my pet fishes in my home, and I can see them seamlessly swimming around on the camera. Before use, I will custom set the camera settings to my preference. There is motion detection sensors with 24 hours recording feature on this camera. I can set motion detection settings amongst other different detection notifications to set when I should be notified of motion. There is sound detection mode to detect sounds and alert me to any unusual sounds in my home. Also, I can set it to detect human motion and set the sensitivity of the detector accordingly. Motion detection of any objects or animals can be set to according to sensitivity. Great customization feature. Also, I can set the continuous recording mode to record videos to my SD card or cloud storage if I am subscribed. It supports sync with voice assistants too for ease of access. On the app, I can pan, tilt and zoom 355 degrees all around left and right, to see the surroundings of the camera. It offers great visibility to different angles of my home and allow me to swipe left to move left and swipe right to move right. It can move up and down too to my ideal angle of viewing. Check out some HD video recordings I took during the day. The recordings in daylight looks really clear and vivid. Colors are very vivid and crisp and the video feed is non-laggy, relays picture smoothly. Good. In infrared night vision, things remain visible in black and white. It works automatically when lighting is low. This allows things to be visible to the camera lens even in total darkness, ensuring round-the-clock monitoring. On app, there is also two-way audio feature where I can communicate via the speakers of the camera to the person on the other side in real time. Useful if you have kids at home and wish to communicate with them. An alarm system is present too where you can activate it in app to ring an alarm if something is amiss. Overall, I find the Conico EaziePlus Wi-Fi pan tilt zoom camera a really useful product to enhance home security and provide me a peace of mind knowing I can check back on my camera for live feed of my home so I know what is going on even when I am out. It is well built, feels reliable and solid. I hope it works for the long run. If you want to find out more about the EaziePlus Wi-Fi camera, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.